controller is very easy operator controller. Such as if we wanted to bend this part in this controller, let's show you how to do one by one. Such as we bend this metal part. How about the thickness? 1.2 millimeter thickness. Length, that's maybe 10 millimeters. So such as controller can automatically calculate how many ton.
How many times it's calculated automatically?
Automatically, yes, it's automatic. We also should pay attention to the VDI mode in factor. If we buy our machine, how many thickness we will before delivery the machines, we will program well the VDI mode for you. This is for 12 millimeter thickly VDI. This is for 1 millimeter. This is for 1.2 millimeter. Therefore, this time we choose this VDI is the ideal one. We are already programmed in controller. We also should pay attention to this, such as for this part, first step, we already direct the VDI everything well. First time we bending 90 degree. The x-axis is 60, and for r-axis, the second step, we bending 120. For x-axis is 60, and for the third step, we bending 90 here, and for x-axis is 40. So now we can start bending this metal part. Okay, let's start. First step, we bend in 90 degrees. Now we need the crowning function.
Oh, 过了吧？按下 OK， 按下绿的，哎，对。
Now we want to show you the crowning function for this machine. It's 90 degrees now, right? 90 degrees. Yes, it's correct. Just now we use the crowning function. Maybe if you change it to the metal thickness, we change metal thickness. We also should change the VDI, and if it can't bending in the right angle, we can use the crowning table. This machine and controller support this function. That's why usually we should suggest our customer to add this crowning table on the machine. If we want to do the crowning function in the controller control, we should choose the controller like this. Okay, now we bending this part one by one by one. Okay, we take the same metal part and bending. Okay, we start from the one stop. Okay, we start now. Ready? Start. First step is 90 degrees. The second step now. Second step is 120 degrees. Okay, now we're bending the third step. Third step is 90 degree. Okay, now we finished bending this part. Now we finished bending this part. Now we finished bending this part.